In 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon became a silent killer. Without warning, the lake burped a massive invisible cloud of carbon dioxide that rolled through valleys like death itself. Entire villages suffocated in their sleep. When survivors woke up, they found thousands of people and animals dead. No wounds, no signs of struggle, just eerie silence where life had simply stopped breathing. The gas was so dense it displaced all the oxygen for miles. One of nature's most terrifying disasters happened in complete silence, turning a peaceful night into a mass grave.